GM guys, welcome to another tutorial on SMC tutorials. So in today's tutorial we're going to continue our series on how to navigate the SMC DAO app. Alright, so today we're going to be learning how to chat with the Mapy AI on the SMC DAO app. So Mapy AI is an amazing AI that is built specifically for the SMC DAO community, right? So you can use Mapy AI to ask questions about the SMC DAO community or some other general crypto related questions. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can chat with the AI and some of the possibilities of the Mapy AI. Right, but before we dive right in, if you find our content helpful, you can support us by buying our educational token WikiCat. WikiCat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. Alright, so the contract address will be in the description. Alright, so guys, let's dive right into the tutorial without any further ado. So first off, we're going to start by launching the SMC DAO app, and we're going to do that by just selecting. So next over here, we're going to select the chat tab. Alright, so here we have our chat list, and as you can see, we have Mapy AI already there. I think I explained in one of our videos that Mapy AI is by default pinned to your chat list, so you don't have to start searching for it or something. And as you can see, always active and online for your questions and your prompts. So we're going to start chatting with Mapy AI now. So to start chatting, select Mapy AI. Alright, so it's quite easy to chat with Mapy AI, similar to how you chat with people and AIs, right? Input your questions or your prompt here and send. Alright, so we're going to start nice by saying hello. Okay, so we've gotten a reply. We're going to ask Mapy AI to tell us about SMC DAO send. Alright, so we've gotten a response. What's the current price of WikiCat? So guys, this is actually amazing, right? With Mapy AI, you can become more informed about the SMC DAO community. You can ask questions related to the community, and the AI will just help you to understand how things work, and just keep you updated and help you to get the most out of your experience here. Before I ask the general question, I'll ask for the contract address of WikiCat. Alright, so there it is, the contract address of WikiCat. Alright, so this is amazing, guys. I'll ask one general crypto related question before we come to the end of the tutorial. When was Bitcoin sent? Wow, guys, this is amazing. This is a tool that you want to use to help you stay informed about the SMC DAO community, and it's not just limited to the community, right? You can get information like general crypto information from this AI. So guys, we have come to the end of the tutorial. Thank you guys for watching the tutorial. If you have any questions, drop your question in the comment section. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in another tutorial. Bye.